In a moment that has captured the attention of millions, England has just erupted in response to an astonishing final verdict that has left the nation in shock. It's not every day that a court ruling can spark such intense reactions, but this decision has done just that, sending waves of disbelief and excitement through the public. What's behind this explosive reaction, and why does this verdict matter to so many people across the country? Let's rewind for a moment. Over the past few weeks, the case in question has been building momentum. It started as a high-profile legal battle that captured the media's attention, but what truly made it stand out was the weight of the issues it tackled. This wasn't just any ordinary case. It touched on core aspects of justice, fairness, and the rights of individuals. The stakes were incredibly high, and the outcome of this trial had the potential to shape public opinion, influence future legal decisions, and alter the political landscape in unexpected ways. As the case unfolded, we saw intense media coverage, public debates, and even protests. Everyone from legal experts to average citizens weighed in on the matter, voicing their opinions on what the right outcome should be. Many feared that the verdict would fall short of justice, while others held out hope that the truth would prevail. But, of course, no one expected what came next. When the final verdict was read out in court, it sent shockwaves through the nation. The decision was far more groundbreaking than anyone had anticipated. The courtroom erupted with emotion, with some witnesses visibly stunned, others overcome with joy or outrage. But it wasn't just the courtroom that exploded, it was the entire nation. Social media erupted in a frenzy, with people from all walks of life reacting to the decision. Hashtags were trending within minutes, and opinion pieces flooded news outlets. Politicians, celebrities, and everyday citizens all chimed in, making their voices heard. The reaction was as diverse as the population itself. Some celebrated the ruling as a triumph of justice, while others condemned it as a betrayal of everything they believed in. In short, England was divided. So, why has this verdict sparked such a profound reaction? The truth is, this case had all the ingredients of a national firestorm. It was about more than just the people directly involved. It was about something much bigger. It was about the very principles upon which the nation prides itself: fairness, equality, and the rule of law. For some, the decision represented a reaffirmation of these principles, a reminder that the system can still deliver justice when it counts. But for others, it represented a stark reminder of the cracks within the system and the flaws that still need to be addressed. Beyond the immediate reactions, this ruling could have long-term implications. Legal experts are already speculating about its potential impact on future cases. If this verdict is seen as a benchmark, it could pave the way for a shift in how the courts approach similar matters. Some are concerned that it could embolden certain factions, while others hope it will inspire a wave of reform that addresses the issues that have been brought to light during the trial. But what's next for England, now that the verdict has been delivered? Will the nation continue to be divided, or will there be a path toward healing and reconciliation? The answer, as always, is complicated. The ruling has sparked intense emotions, but it has also opened up important conversations about justice, fairness, and accountability. People are asking tough questions about the system, about power, and about what it means to truly be just in a society that's still evolving. At the heart of all this is a reminder that the law is not just a set of rules. It's a living, breathing institution that can shape the course of history. Today, England has exploded with reactions to this astonishing final verdict, but as the dust settles, the true consequences of this decision will continue to unfold. The story is far from over, and the future of England may be forever changed by the shockwaves of this moment. The verdict might have been the catalyst, but the real work, of understanding, healing, and moving forward, has only just begun.